Tim Grady with Manufacturing Talk Radio. I'm here with Jeff Dailidas. Jeff, I always stumble on your name, Jeff Dailidas.
It's a hard one.
And we're talking with Nordson. Nordson's a powder coater. They're also a liquid metal coater, and they can coat other products as well. But we're standing in front of this particular booth. Jeff, why don't you explain what I just did here?
All right. We have two guns set up here, and we're going to spray some carpenter squares with powder coating. In the canister behind the yellow jacket there, we have some green powder in that canister. It's called a fluidized hopper. We're going to aerate the bottom of the hopper to make the powder react more like a fluid. So by putting air to it, we increase the fluidity and we make it so we can pump and spray it. The powder is going to be pumped from a pump on the side of the unit there. I don't know if you can see it. We're going to pump it up the hose through the delivery line to the handle of the gun. We're going to add a little air to create a spray pattern, and the powder is going to exit out the front of the gun. At the end of the spray gun, there's a electrode where we bring 100,000 volts, and it's enough energy to break down air molecules and charge the powder to 100,000 volts. And we have a grounded part here, a carpenter square.
All right.
You're going to spray at the carpenter square, and the powder will be attracted to it. When we're done, we'll pick it up and put it in the small oven to your right there and bake it.
So 100,000 volts, Lou. Don't touch your tongue to the end of the gun, and we'll see what you can do. Ready, aim, fire.
Okay. So, do I do a draw?
You can do a draw.
You can do a draw? You got the draw?
Just don't pull the trigger early.
Yeah, right. You got to be about this far away.
You want to be probably about 6 inches away with that gun. Maybe a little closer. Yeah. That looks pretty good. And one of the beauties of powder coating is you can't run and drip and sag like you can with liquid spray. So really, it's hard to mess up. If you get a little too much on, you'll waste some material. It may not look as pretty, but you won't ruin the part. And if you can reach it and flip it around there without getting all green,
Don't touch the part.
No, grab the paper clip. You should see you got some powder on the backside as well. And as the air went around the part, the electrostatics, the high voltage, attracted the green to the back of the part as well. That's okay if you can get it just enough so you can spray it. There you go. And the gun he's using there is the new HD gun. That's the gun that you can do a push button 20-second color change with.
Lou's getting the ceiling and everything here.
Lou's painting it up. He's doing a good job.
Oh, look out.
That's fine.
Look out.
I think he's ready to go on a paint line somewhere.
Yeah, right. Put him on the paint line.
All right, I'm ready. I'm ready.
You got it.
All right, Jeff, thanks very much. Now we're going to put these over here in an oven and cook them. Is that right?
That's it.
All right. We'll be excited to see how they come out. Thanks very much.
Okay, we've now had the parts in the oven for about 3 minutes. This is an infrared oven where we cure parts by light. It's actually infrared radiation that cures the powder. In a typical oven, we'd need about 20 minutes. In this oven, we only need about 3. So they've coated them up, they've cooled down, and we're ready to see how they did. And that's all there is to powder coating.